Lego tricks are awesome. But are you sure you're doing it right? Grab your Lego bricks. Check out these ingenious tricks. Take your creations to the next level. Get ready to be amazed. If you arrange the bricks and add a double frame, you can easily create a beautiful stained glass window. Another method is to insert the glass into the frame. But this arch is actually a Lego guardrail, usually seen on tracks, etc. And there's another clever use. Use the guardrail to create the mouth of a Lego model. Back to the stained glass part. I used a turntable base, usually used for rotating structures, like this warship turret. The guns move in sync. Thanks to the striped bricks, they can firmly fix the position, so they are perfect for making dandelions. These dandelions are definitely the last guarantee this season. You can easily build for brackets with striped bricks. Install an antenna and you'll get a retro TV. Or you can also use it to connect water pipes to a Lego car. When you're creating a Lego switch with a person clamped in the mouth, you also use striped bricks. Attach the feather pieces to the bricks. Then you have a set of quail sweating. You can also use a towel bar to take care of the Lego suit, or use it as a doorknob. John Wick is here. Now he needs equipment. He opens the closet. Guns appear instantly. The mechanism hidden behind the wall is activated. He must place the striped bricks horizontally on the shelf. Collect coins hidden under the floor, using spheres in the witch's secret dungeon. Here you can remove the head brick and fix it to another brick, making them into potion bottles. Then remove the crocodile's tail, turning it into fake fruit with aloe vera. This is a Lego tire, but with a little magic. I'm going to turn it into a cauldron. Squeeze a round brick at the bottom of the pot. The big pot is ready to cook the mysterious soup. I use ruby bricks to make the soup. The skeleton is ready to stir with a bone. This time you realized the soup maker and it went very smoothly. You can see the ruby bricks rolling. If you remove the head brick, putting a crystal ball on the head can create a startling effect. This can be achieved with a simple lever. The crystal ball can also be used as a means of transportation. The witch stands on top. The crystal ball rolls forward, bringing him to the potion bottles on the shelf. No ladder needed. Speaking of skeletons, he's headless, but with Lego frog bricks, you can assemble a truly cursed skeleton creature. Now the dungeon is fully operational. They might be using the teeth collection on the wall, making some sort of secret potion. Lego teeth bricks seem ordinary, but do you know they can be used to support bananas? Even the feet of a scarf helmet? Or a Lego ninja shuriken? How about that? When Batman stands on top of a Gothic-style building, tool bricks can form a gargoyle. If we increase the number of teeth, we can create a Lego pest control devouring anyone nearby. Even spider monsters. The train's face. We can use them to make eyebrows, or become chair legs. Even use a tennis racket to make a back. Now let's enjoy a hearty dinner together. Happy Thanksgiving! Another way to make a chair back is use magic bricks that won't fall off. They can also be used to make beautiful fences. Out of the witch's dungeon, they made windows and fold them together. Then take the top of a carrot, put it in the hole like this. Finally, they are combined into a beautiful flower bed. But sitting on a nearby bench is a sad skeleton guy. His only unrequited love letter accompanies him in the petals. The only one is a little mouse eating cheese under a street lamp. Next, let's do some illegal aesthetics. Take a Lego tire and put it in, and add it tightly. You have a cool Chinese lantern. Now let's get serious. With a venom tone. But the fun part is coming. Put him on the lantern. You have a festive scene to welcome the new year. Here's some more illegal building. How about taking a Lego suitcase and connecting it? Blocks in opposite directions. Now you have a desk. The suitcase can do more. Use them to make drawers. Perfectly matches this cardboard. When it rains, use Lego neck supports to make a wine rack. It looks even better. When you want to create a dynamic effect for the Little Wolf website, neck supports are super useful. For example, Thor and Iron Man's combined attack, turning the knob. Thanos would use his weapon to block their powerful attacks. Neck supports can also be used as monitor stands. If you take off the handle of the Lego barrel, it becomes a drawer. And adjust it slightly. You can turn the barrel into a potted plant. Use some force. You can also use the handle as a leg. See how many uses you can count. All the illegal building techniques in this video. In addition, this handle fits perfectly with toilet paper. But be careful when cleaning the Lego toilet. It might just be a trap. This barrel can also be used as the head of a Lego photographer. Put a stud in the barrel. It looks like a bucket of blue paint. This is a heater. This little blue figure is painting the walls of his room. I built a mechanism to give him movement. The handle of the electric toothbrush can be used as part of a jetpack. This is James Bond. I'm equipping him. Behind me is a minion, that's it. It's one of my favorites. Its head is made from a roller skate part. Normally, I would wear these on my feet. But they have many amazing features. For example, if you stack 3 roller skate parts like this, you'll get a smooth surface on all 6 sides. If you wedge the roller skate parts into the gap of a Lego brick, you can create a brick with studs in 2 directions. Then if you stack 3 roller skate parts, they can be combined to form a cool alien pistol. Roller skate parts can be used on Lego cars. Look closely. You'll find it's a car door handle. In another mini model, the roller skate treads are the front wheels of the Hogwarts Express. This is a mini-sized tuck toy. It's the earliest Lego toy. Made of wood. We're building a woodworking shop. Here's a newspaper. And a screwdriver. But we use them to make a drill press. Add a piece of wood and it can be moved into the workshop. Now let's get the minifigure moving. I've added a mechanism to give him a powered animation, so he can really saw wood. As we all know, brown Lego bricks are quite brittle. But because of this, they're perfect for making sawdust. By the way, this newspaper is made with a handle and a pillar shooting part. You can find it in various Lego sets, like this clone trooper tree, and put a powered device on him. He also has